while simplifying. So since something extra has been added and you have junks now with addition, subtraction, bracket, of, multiplication, division, so naturally they should be in order, okay, and the order of operation, okay, order of operation should be in the form of B O D M A S. This means bracket, of, division, multiplication, and addition and subtraction can be solved. You can solve any one of them, addition and subtraction, but multiplication should be solved only after division. Division should be solved only after of. Okay, and if this division or if anything is in bracket, wherever you see a bracket, the bracket should be solved first. Okay, so that is why this bracket, bracket, should be solved first. So whatever is there in the bracket, you will have to solve it first. Okay, have a look. 5 by 1, let us take 1. 5 by 1 minus 8 by 11, okay, minus 3 by 11. So what I find over here, that though I can solve the bracket over here, but the easiest way here is you can directly remove the bracket by multiplying each of these by this negative sign. Or the best thing I will teach you, that whenever you have a negative sign, okay, before bracket, so whenever you have a negative sign before bracket, then what you do is change the signs of the entire numbers which is inside the bracket. Change the sign inside the bracket. Change the sign inside bracket. Okay, so this is the easiest trick which I have taught the children. Do not multiply minus into minus or minus into plus. It's very simple. Since you have a negative sign over here, so have a look here. What I will do, 5 by 1 minus 8 by 11. See, the sign over here was plus, so plus change to minus. The sign here is minus, so it will change to plus. Plus 3 by 11. So 3 by 11, why not to write 36 by 11? Paper bhi bachega yaar, isn't it? Okay, come on. So who will take out the LCM of 5, 8 and you can say 1, 11 and 11? So naturally I will have only to take it out. You cannot take it out for me, I know. So here the LCM is equal to 11. 55 minus 8 and plus 36. 55 plus 36 is equal to how much? As I had told you that you add all those positive signs and all those negative signs. So 55 plus 36, kitna? Itna by 11. So 91, अरे क्या लिख रहे बाबा, कुछ भी. 91 minus 8 by 11. So 91 minus 8 by 11 कितना बाबू? Is equal to 83. नहीं, आ जाइए. 8 9 83 by 11. So 83 by 11 will give you how much? Will give you 7 6 by 11. Wow, goal, है ना? Here 2 1 by 3. In number 3 we have 2 1 by 3 divided by 5 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. See, remember that while solving, please at least write the questions properly. Okay, because I make so many mistakes. What to say? What will I teach you? 3 2s are 6, come on. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 divided by, who will solve the bracket? Who will solve? Naturally, I will solve the bracket. 4 3 12, 13 14 15, isn't it? This will give you how much? 7 by 3 divided by, who will solve the bracket? I will solve the bracket. I am solving it also. LCM is equal to 4. So here 22 plus 15. क्या बात है, is equal to beta 7 by 3 divided by how much? 22 plus 15 do 18 37 by 4. Have a look. 7 by 3. See, as soon as I see these, what do you say? As soon as I see the division form, I get irritated. Change it into multiplication form. अगर सच में जिंदा रहना चाहते हो तो 7 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 37. So when you convert division into multiplication, you will have to change this into its reciprocal form. Reciprocal मतलब उल्टा. क्या? उल्टा. उल्टी नहीं, उल्टा. 7 4s are 28. 28 by 3 into 37. 111. So this is your solution. This is your solution. क्या बात है? Let's do few of the sums. In few of the sums we have number 6. And in 6 they say 3 by 4 divided by, in bracket, 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, you give me as many different types, no? See what I will do. 3 by 4 divided by, have a look, 1 by 6. This division should be changed to multiplication form. Change karo yaar multiplication. So here you will get 2 by 1. 2 by 1. So 2 3 times is equal to 6. So you have 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 3. No? So there will be many of you people. You will think that this is the correct method and you will cancel this 3. No. You will have to convert this division into multiplication form. Aja? So when you will convert this into multiplication form, you will have to change this into its reciprocal form. So here you have 3 3s are 9 by 4. Will they be satisfied? No, because finally our rule says that if it can be converted to mixed fraction form, then please convert it. Do not wait for an order that you will have to do this. But once again, while we proceed, you will have to keep this particular in mind, BODMAS, isn't it? If you do not keep this in mind, then naturally I cannot help you. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Few of the sums are there, as I told you. Just few of the sums, like which one to take? 1 by 4, number ये वाला 7. Okay, by to do all of them. Otherwise you will also start getting bored. So छोटा video रहे, ठीक है. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. It is in bracket. Okay, fine. Of, see, of BODMAS. Okay. So 2 by 3, as I told you, that I'll keep on repeating it a number of times till it gets stuck in your brain. Okay. So as soon as you will look at these kind of problems, you will only talk about BODMAS. Okay. If someone will tell you what is the magic behind solving this kind of simplification, and in no time you will say BODMAS. Bas. Okay. My pen fell down. Come, utho yaar. Jago. So here have a look. The LCM of 6 and 4 is equal to how much? So 12. क्या बात है? Now 3 minus 2. Now you do not tell me that how did you get it? Every time क्या है यार, एक ही बात बक. 12. 8 minus 5. Okay, multiplied by, see, the LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to how much? 48. For LCM of 8 and 12, 8 3s are and 12 to here it will be kitna? It will be 24. हाँ जी, 24. Come on, आ जाइए. So 8 3s are, 5 3s are 15 minus 12 2 times, 7 2s are 14. क्या बात है? 1 by 24. So here 1 by 12 of 8 minus 5, 3 by 12 multiplied by 15 minus 1. 15 minus 14 यार, 1 क्यों बोलता है? 1 by 24. Now, as I had told you, that off part should be solved first. But since all of them are multiplication, is in multiplication, so you people are free. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Okay? And see, the value of this off increases only when the other participants are there, like addition, subtraction, division. But see, his brother is only here. So you can solve, you can cancel anyone at any time. So have a look. 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12 matlab kya beta? Here on the top you have 1 and here you have 4 times 12 times 24. Oh, so 4 times 12 times 24. This will give you 1 by 1152. 1 by 1152. Ajaye. Number 5. In number 5 we have simplification. Of course we are doing solving simplification only, and here they will just increase the level, like 24 by 35 divided by, see, this is quite important because in the bracket itself they have given you this division and addition. According to the rule of Bodmer's, that you will have to solve this particular portion first. Otherwise you will be in trouble. Okay, देखो हर बार बेटा धमकी देना ठीक बात नहीं है ना. You will be in trouble. क्या trouble? कुछ trouble नहीं. Come, 24 by 35. 24 by 35. You will have to change the division into multiplication form. तो आइए ना change करते हैं. 7 by 6. 7 by 6 plus 5 by 9 plus 5 by 9. Put it in bracket times 3 by 4. Kept. So here have a look. 24, will anything cancel? Of course it will cancel. 7 5s are 35. You can cancel only here. This plus this 5 by 9 cannot be cancelled. Of course it cannot be cancelled. You can cancel only when the two fractions are in multiplication form. Okay? So 24, 6 4s are 24. So this reduced to 4 by 5. 4 by 5 plus 5 by 9. आ जाइए. 4 by 5 plus 5 by 9 in bracket multiplied by 3 by 4. So here have a look. 5 and 9. The LCM will be 45. 45. So when the LCM is 45, 9 4s are 36 plus 5 5s are 25 plus 3 by 4, okay, is equal to 36 plus 25. How much? 6 5 11, 3 4 5 1 6, 61 by 45 plus 3 by 4. No, so not plus 3 by 4. It was in multiplication form. क्या बात है? I'm teaching something else and ठीक बात नहीं है यार ये. Okay, so here have a look. So what are you going to get, my dear? Here you will get 61 by 45 into 3 by 4. So 3 1 times and 3 15 times. 61 by 60. This will give you 61 by 60. अच्छा नहीं लगता 61 by 60 because it is in improper fraction. So let us change this into proper fraction. 1 by 60 is your solution. Okay. So that is why you can see here that while solving sometimes I make mistakes, and the reason is that for mathematics you need full concentration. Okay, I have seen children, okay, who boast themselves that I am the best, but in examination they'll get 50s. They are in 50s and 60s. Okay, so that is why I would say that as you people can see that how sometimes you can say I make manual mistakes. That is why you need full concentration. If you people you do not concentrate properly, you can say the only way in which you can achieve this concentration by solving the sums again and again. I cannot be, see, I am just a teacher of mathematics. Okay, I am not a master of mathematics. I cannot. I have been trying since years, but see, I cannot. So 1 by 3 plus 7 by 15 in bracket divided by 5 by 6 minus 3 by 5. Few sums are there. I'll not solve all. एक दो और बनाएंगे काम खत्म. 7 by 30. See, off is over here. Let it be. You will have to solve this portion first. And how could you solve this? LCM is equal to 15. 3. How many times? 3 5s are 15. 5 plus 7 divided by LCM of 6 and 5. These are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are numbers whose HCF is 1. So just you multiply these numbers and you will get their LCM. So 5 5s are 25 minus 6 3s are 18. 7 by 30 of 5 plus 7 12. 12 by 15 divided by 25 minus 18 is equal to how much? 25 minus 18 है बेटा यहाँ पे. Yes. So 25 minus 18 7. 7 by 30. So as I had told you, my dear, that whenever you have off and division, see, if here we would have been given multiplication, then no issues would be there, because multiplication and off are in the same, you can say, are of the same type. But when different types are given, like off and division or addition or subtraction, so off should be solved first, isn't it? Or if you want to solve all of them in one step, then in that case you will have to change this division into multiplication. 12 by 15 multiplied by 7. अरे यार सही तो लिखो. 30 by 7. हाँ अब ठीक है. Now you don't have any issues. 15, see, 30 you can cancel. 4 3s are 3 4s are 3 5s are 7 and 7 can cancel. So 4 by 5 is your final answer. Always remember that you will have to cancel any of the numerator with any of the denominator only when they are in multiplication form. Once again, you will have to multiply. You can cancel any of the numerator with any of the denominator. Okay, नहीं तो भैया बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है भैया. चलिए एक छोटा सा और हो जाए. पुत्र 2 1 by 2 minus 3 and a half multiplied by 1 3 by 4 plus 2 and a half. Okay. Now, when I speak in Hindi, you also don't start speaking in Hindi. See, I want you people to make you understand what you will make me understand. Okay, so don't try to be so friendly. Okay, I'm your friend only. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 3 2s are 6 7 by 2. Okay, times 4 1s are 7 by 4. क्या बात है. Plus 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. You can see that here this portion can be solved first. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So this portion can be solved first. So let us solve 5 by 2. Here we have quite a lot of space. 5 by 2 minus 7 7s are 49 by 4 2s are 8 plus 5 by 2. Now let's start. So after you have got this, what will you do? You take out the LCM, and after you take out the LCM, you add and subtract, and find and solve it yourself. Solve yourself. Naturally, if I am respecting you, I should also respect you, no? That my kids should know much better than you. Okay. One of my kids said, "Sir, you are the best." I can be best only if you will be the best. Come on. 5 6 7 8. This is the last one, I hope so. So please stay tuned. Otherwise you can move out also. Okay. Because this is not an entertainment channel. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, of course. And for me it is entertainment channel. See. Hey, come on, come. Yes. But for me it is entertainment channel. For you it might not be. You can go and watch the TikTok videos. 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 7. plus 1 by 7. Okay. Sometimes the children will say that, sir, I do not have enough time to solve the sums. But you can see them posting TikTok videos. क्या बात है यार, कमाल कर दी. Have a look. तो बेटा यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे here when you will start solving this, what will you get? The LCM will be equal to 6. 3 minus 2 multiplied by LCM of 4 and 5 will be equal to 20. 15 minus 16 divided by the LCM of 2, 7 and 2, 5 and 7 will be equal to how much? Will be equal to 70. Now 35 minus 28 plus 10. 3 minus 2, you know, 1 by 6 into 15 minus 16. Exactly 15 minus 16 minus 1 by 20. क्या बात है. हाँ, I got something new. कमाल हो गया राजा. So here you have, what will you get? Here you will get divided by 35 plus 10, 45 minus 28 will be equal to how much? You will be equal to 17 by 70. Now let us convert this in the form 1 by 6 times minus 1 by 20. Division should be changed into multiplication, multiplied by 70 by 17. Oh, this will give you how much? Minus 7 by 6 into 2 into 17 will be equal to 204. So here you can see that your answer is in negative form, is in minus form. If you sometimes the children, they forget to put this negative sign. Okay, so in that case I will also forget to put to give the marks. Okay, you also forget, I will also forget. 1 by 2 of 40 plus 1 3 by 4, this is the last one. Okay, so you can stay tuned or you can move out also. 2 by 9 plus 2 1 by 5 times 0. One of my children, they told me, sir, when the entire expression is multiplied by 0, the answer should be 0 only, no? Arey bhaiya, are you people blind? Can't you see that we have multiplied only 2 1 by 5 with 0 and not with the entire expression? I have not put this in the bracket and I have multiplied it with 0. Only the last term is multiplied by 0. So this will become 0. So you forget about it. Kaam khatam. Okay, come on. So moving on to our, you can say, next step. Here you can find that, see here क्या बात है, 2 20 times. So I have cancelled. आ जाइए लिखिए 20 plus, otherwise you will forget it. 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7 by 4 off, and off means multiplication. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 19, 20 by 9 plus 0. So why will I write this 0? No need to write. Okay, have a look. 4 how many times? 4 5s are 20, 7 5s are 35 by 9. So 20 plus 35 by 9. You can take out the LCM of 9 and 1 and then again you multiply and get multiply and divide. But what I will do here, I will write 20 over here, and 35 by 9 can be written as 3 8 by 9 when you will convert it into mixed fraction. But 3 8 by 9, yes or no? What do you mean by 3 8 by 9? It means 3 plus 8 by 9. So 20 plus 3 is equal to 23 8 by 9. Sasta and tikau. क्या बोले? Sasta and tikau. So for the next word problems in of exercise, क्या 14E भी है क्या? I think 14E is also there. Yes, 14E is there. Or 14E will be in the next video. So keep watching, stay tuned. Okay, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं है. I'll keep on